Oh my god, here we go. What? Hello? Hello there? What?
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shellisburg, or 11 miles south of Darlington, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail.
Okay,
Source, radar indicated.
okay. Well, a severe thunderstorm warning was just issued,
Locations impacted include
and this guy right here did not go off. I'm pretty sure that I have all events on, and,
Joe Davies County Fairgrounds in McConnell. For your protection, move to an
it just
interior room
didn't
on the
go
lower
off.
floor of a sturdy building.
I mean, my WX-150, for some reason, is having a problem. What the? Another one? Oh, well, here we go.
Eastern and southern Ogle County in north-central Illinois until 6 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Oregon, moving east at 45 miles
What
per
just happened?
hour. Hazard, 70 miles
That was a double header.
size hail.
This thing failed the first time, but at least it went off now.
Damage to vehicles is expected.
God, these...
Expect considerable
Oof.
tree damage.
Hold on.
Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Jeez.